Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. So I hope you all are doing great. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can customize notifications on iPhone. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your settings on your mobile phone. Now go ahead and tap on notifications option. Now here as you can see notifications for different apps. So for instance I have selected this particular application which is CapCut. Now here you can whether allow notifications for the application or whether you can turn off the sounds, badges or many more. You can just customize it on your own. So once it's done you are good to go. You can just customize it on your own. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.